Today's free color lookup table is named Color Film, and we have it loaded in right here, so let's take a look. Here's our photo. There we go. There's before, and there's after. And if you're looking for more film emulation LUTs, I'm going to show you some more here. So I've got this one loaded in here, and this is the Fuji Velvia, and it's right here. So I've loaded them into Photoshop, and as you can see, it looks really nice. There's before, and there's after. Let's try another one out. So I'm going to go down to, let's go to Kodak Portra. Let's try the 160 film, and there we go. There's before, and there's after. If you want to download the free LUT color film, go to presetpro.com, go to the free tab, and here you'll find LUTs down here. And finally, if you want to learn how to install the LUTs into Photoshop like I did there for our demo, you can go up to the top here to support and check out the how-to guide, and you'll find a nice article and video right here.